This craft aims to explain that the way to make the world a kinder place is to use our hearts in the right way. This is a model of Mother Teresa made entirely using bits of ice cream sticks and pieces of thread. One last look at the picture. There you go. Now, the heart-shaped diagram below is used to represent how Mother Teresa's heart worked, just like an anatomy diagram. Here we can see the Pandora's box of life, which is the input. This Pandora's box has been made using an old cardboard piece and pieces of fallen twigs. Now, these writings that you notice over here, such as input and life's Pandora's box, have been made using none other than bits of old recycled newspaper. Now, as we all know, out of life's Pandora's box come out many positive and negative qualities too. This gushing mixture of qualities has been represented using a mixture of e-waste and natural waste, such as sticks, plastic, e-waste, leaves, etc. Now, this gushing mixture of good and bad qualities falls into the strainer of our attitude. Now, the strainer of our attitude, if used in the right way like Mother Teresa, can separate the good qualities and the bad qualities and let the good qualities such as love, kindness, and honesty drop into the boxes of our personality and retain the bad qualities such as anger, hatred, greed, and cruelty. Now, you must be wondering what the strainer and these boxes have been made of. The strainer has been made, as you can see, using old straws and a loofah. A loofah is a soap rubber. Inside the strainer are pieces of leaves and sticks. The drops of kindness, love, and honesty have been represented using bottle caps, and the boxes of personality have been represented using ice cream sticks. Therefore, the way to make the world a kinder place is to use our attitude properly, just like Mother Teresa, to separate negative and positive qualities and retain the negative ones while allowing the positive qualities to flow out into the boxes of our personality. Thank you.